This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open the Shein app or website and sign into your account. If you don't have one, create it using an email or social login to save vouchers. Next, verify your shipping address and preferred currency because vouchers sometimes lock by region. Once done, add items to the cart and confirm sizes, colors, and quantities. Make sure each item is eligible for discounts. Exclude flash deals or certain categories, and note the voucher code or digital gift card details before checkout. At checkout, choose payment and shipping options, then locate the coupon or voucher field. Paste the code exactly, respecting capitalization and no extra spaces. If you're using a digital voucher in your Shein wallet, tap Apply under Wallet or Gift Cards. The discount line should update instantly. If the code fails, check minimum spend, item exclusions, expiration date, and combined coupon rules. Once the discount appears, recheck totals, shipping fees, and taxes, and keep a screenshot of the applied voucher for reference. Complete payment using the method that best preserves the voucher. Avoid cash on delivery if it blocks digital discounts. Confirm order and save the order ID. After placing the order, monitor email and Shein app order status for confirmation and the updated paid amount. If the voucher did not apply, contact Shein support immediately with your order ID, voucher code, screenshot of cart and error, and timestamps. Often they can issue a refund or credit. Remember to check refund timing and follow up if no response in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.